Nothing better than freshly ground coffee to make an espresso in the morning. I love the smell of it. And I'm going to show you a coffee that I love to make in the hotter months. This is my iced latte with a frothy topping. It's so good. So first, let's freshly grind some coffee. Oh, it smells so good. We'll just tamper this down. Just tap on the sides. Tamper again, and let's extract one espresso. So we'll just place that into the slot there, and one shot of coffee coming right up. All right, there's our gorgeous espresso coffee. You know that that's a quality shot because you've got that stunning crema right on the top. So to go with this, I'm going to need to froth some milk. We really want that gorgeous froth on the top. So I like the combination of milk, so into a jug, some cold milk, along with some thickened cream. And my little coffee machine comes with a frother, so it's so easy. We'll just place the jug underneath the frothing nozzle, and then we'll steam our coffee until we get that gorgeous froth. A key indication that your milk is ready is when you touch it and it's almost too hot, you know it's ready to go. And we'll just give that a tap, and you can see that we've got that gorgeous froth on the top there. Okay, let's start building this. So our shot of coffee goes in. I want mine to have a slight vanilla taste, totally optional. So just a tiny splash of vanilla extract. And we'll build this with lots of ice all the way to the top. Our cold milk can then go in just over the ice. And I just love how it mixes in, almost that marble effect with the coffee on the bottom there. And delicious as is, but I love the froth on top. So I'll grab a spoon. And we don't want the hot milk, we just want that beautiful froth on the top. A little bit more. Oh, that is looking pretty good. Bit of chocolate to finish it off. And that is a stunning marbled iced coffee, perfectly brewed coffee, perfectly frothed milk. That is a true delight. Cafe style, I would say, but at home.